Out here on the range, we're going to do a little bit of test firing of the Apex extractor for the Glock. I have a prototype here on my Glock 17 RTF. First, we're going to compare it to a standard OEM Glock extractor, same one that came, or actually the one that came on a brand new Glock 17 RTF. We're going to do the 1911 extractor test. That's firing one round at a time with no magazine in the gun. So here we go. Okay, we got a stovepipe. Try again. Alright, that round, that case came out the magazine well. That one ejected. Out the magazine well. Same thing. Alright, if this were 1911, this would have failed the extractor test abysmally. We're going to go ahead and try the Apex extractor. Identical gun with the extractor. Nice positive ejection. So pretty much night and day difference.